Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So another statement on Angie's list I want you to do when finding a foundation repair contractor is make sure that repair contractor has a great reputation, whether it be on Angie's list or Home Advisor or Google, Yelp, Facebook, any third-party review site that you're able to get data from. That's going to help you to understand and know exactly what others have experienced with that company. If you look at reviews for Dalinghaus Construction, you will be hard to find anything below a 4. And after that, I mean, there's other companies I've seen and read that get 1 and 2 stars day in and day out, and still just drives you insane that people spend money and get that kind of customer service and that kind of repairs. So keep that in mind when you're looking at these, but I agree with Angie's list on this one. Definitely look at those review sites and make sure you choose wisely.